people, now we don't come my channel before. Welcome back. If today now the first time we they reach my channel, say now today be the first time we they use to koro I see me and I be this. Welcome to my channel. My name is Summer. Before I continue, make a reminder now. You see that red button there where they write subscribe. Click that button, make you subscribe. After that one, make you click the bell sign so that anytime we upload new video, you go hear the notification say I don't upload new video. Now so una do well. For today video, waiting I want to talk. Today video I want to talk about one thing we are here for here and there. Where they social media up and down. They say which they call that man, what they call Nwoko. Say he do one interview. For this interview, what talk say all the wife we marry. He make up his mind saying only Virgin Atlantic now ain't go to fly. That's what they talk. Only Virgin Atlantic now ain't go to fly. And I know what I mean now. You know, say one woman leave me comment one time, say, Summer, one thing I like about your video, and I say, she say, even if my children, they where they watch your video, my mind know they skip because the way they talk something, he say, they okay. So the man, they say, no, only Virgin Atlantic Airway, now the man say, in the fly. That's what the man talk. When I wait to, you know, say, the first talk say, the first say, the man get 5 wife, he gets 6 wife. But the time where he do interview, where I even do that, listen that the freeze interview. He call talk say when he do that interview, he talk say he say no get say now only 2 he get. That's what he talk. But I'm not sure say he even talk how many he get before. You know even talk how many he get before. He just say no only 2. Now he get now he no deal with the other ones. So if you don't marry 5 before, I been at 7% at 6. If you don't marry 5 before, I marry 6, it remain 2. And so he made 2. Leave that one for one side. I go come back and talk that matter. So he said only Virgin Atlantic Airways now in the flight. You know say when this their matter first come out, me I talk and say their matter no change the price of Gary. Why anybody go carry a matter for head? And so me I still fit it today. I don't carry the matter for him. No wait. And me I talk and say anybody get right to marry, he won't marry. Now their choice. So you understand? Although one thing be day once where they say the girl now underage, that one today will no show. You understand? But now their choice. Me God know my mind say I no go pray for that catchy for my pikin. I don't talk. I get daughter will be Regina than your age mate. Now my second born be that one. She did university by the grace of God. I know be my dream for my own picky where me I born. Somebody leave me comment one time. You know if you watch that, somebody leave me comment. I make one post. Somebody calling me comment say, hey, you they jealous. I say, hey, me, are they jealous? I say, you they okay so? I say, you smoke something? Me, are they jealous? What are they jealous? I be like person where they hungry for your eye. What did they there to jealous? Me, I don't talk about for my video what I don't do before. I say age gap, that one no be too be my problem. You understand? Age gap no the two bother me. When I married, there was one where I married. The man senior me through way. You understand? The man seen on me through it. But no reach that kind of 40 years gap. You know even reach 20 years gap self. It passed 10 years. God knows say my pikin say won't marry. I no go still pray. I mean I feel say that kind of age gap too much. Even for my daughter, I no go pray for my daughter. That one too much. But me, make I tell you, the one with the even where I know say I know want for my pikin, I say man go they marry my pikin. They marry another person. I go to jealous waiting. It's me. Even today I life reach my age, it is saying I'm more. I go come the jealous pikin where just they start life. Make I tell you. One thing where I value part for my life past today. Now the fact say I did a life reach the age where I did so. Not be everybody did opportunity to reach me. You know say this life, some people they waiting no make sense. Not some people they put mind. Me, by the thank God for my life, say go help me get one thing where they call contentment. If na Gary I drink and we sweet belly. Do you understand? I know they see life the way many people they see life. Life no be me I no go that side. What I want to talk for this video? I don't let talk and say most of my video I they won't make I tell people something we go make them sit down, make them tick where we say, not true. I don't think I like that before. Hey, not true. Many people know what they important for this life. You know, say many people now, I go still talk again. Anybody get right choice to marry who they want marry. Not choice. You understand? Not choice. But when me they get problem now, when somebody don't want the public eye, people can't they look the person like a role model. They look somebody like role model, the person can't they teach people something we no good. Now that thing I know the two like. What I want to talk for this matter? You know, say this Nwoko now. Some young people now where they grow up, don't they look like a elder, looking like role model. When they come, they talk all this kind to say only Virgin Atlantic now in they fly. All the young people where they look like role model, they feel when they look and say no only Virgin Atlantic is our role model. They fly. And so all of us go be now. You know, I see now and I say. You don't come on from saying now their business with what they do with their lives. You don't enter with say they don't they pass message. Message will be say you go to influence other people. When somebody like this man now go come out they say, hey, Virgin Atlantic are they fly. Go come they be like say anyone will not be Virgin Atlantic now no reach anything. Now that one at that part now can't be problem because you no longer be waiting you do with your life. This one don't pass waiting be now your choice, now your life. It don't turn to wetin person they try to promote. Another thing wey even come my mind, I say, Jane at the interview and ask her that kind of question. I been I just sit down, that kind of thing just come out for him mouth. Like waiting, I don't even know. Waiting grown man go sit down, they think when they talk about the state of affairs. Eh? How it meet the facilities when he meet the facilities. I don't believe say the interview and I ask her that kind of question. Because nobody ask and I carry home out because they broadcast this kind of thing. You know, say we go talk and say, na personal business. Na person, but when you can't put your personal business like this. You understand? Nobody need all this kind of information. And younger boys will go, they tell their friends, come they broadcast among their friends, say, fly Virgin Atlantic. That girl, when I meet her, now me be the first person who launch that Virgin Atlantic. This man now, we can be, Yoruba go say Agbalagba. We can be elder. They no be even say you go brag among your friends. You own na megaphone, you can't take an answer for the whole world. Eh? If my husband can't go they tell people, I don't know how I go feel. Say that my husband can't go they tell people. Now information we're supposed to keep for your house. Nobody need to know. If I see the girl in like her, one thing, later when he come father say Virgin Atlantic, now he go say I go marry her. When he come, how he would talk herself? Now I say, so you and who discuss her? Who and you can't sit down they discuss? How did they do that kind of discussion? Another thing when I walk out talk now say, all the flights where you don't fly before. As all the Virgin Atlantic we don't fly before, we can't dump them. We can't leave them for. But so Virgin Atlantic good for your body. If now 6 women you don't marry before, so you don't fair fly. How many Virgin Atlantic you can't dump the flight for other men? If now so other men to fly all the Virgin Atlantic, can't leave there for grant. Sure you go see the Virgin Atlantic to fly. Sure now you understand this kind of thing. So Virgin Atlantic good for your body. When you fly finish now you can't dump them for other people as second hand. So all the other 4, because he say no only 2 in there with now. So all the other one where you don't fly, where you don't can't dump, who you can't dump them for? Eh? Who you can't dump them for? For other men, Abi. So other men no deserve to follow meet those women as a Virgin Atlantic. You see the place, the area where we say, to make sense. Why I want to do this video and say, our society has a bit these days. People the way that they take women, they do it could make with the open man more with the talk put. You understand? Who they talk put because now so this mentality go they continue. I don't want make anybody. Any man we hear that kind of thing. The only Virgin Atlantic be the best airway to the fly. No be true. No be only Virgin Atlantic. Or I tell you one thing. That destination where Virgin Atlantic they go, other airways they reach there too. Do you know they understand me? Other airways, other flights that they reach there too. I mean, they tell you, they reach there too. Another thing some people they think. Because when I remember saying, this man bring the matter call for public. Now they understand. No be their private matter they discuss. Now wait till this man talk come outside. I mean at the address. So because this mentality, where do you make other men they think like that, it give me with the address now because now so they take us disadvantage for society. Another thing we sit down and think where we say, why be saying a men where already waka up and down and they always they look for Virgin Atlantic? No, I think that thing. If to say the woman where you they go meet say I want fly only Virgin Atlantic, so you know go good make the woman too follow fly Virgin Atlantic. If for good now if the man and woman meet each other, 2 of them are Virgin Atlantic, they will fly the same time. Make they fly the same Virgin Atlantic, make they fly Virgin Atlantic the same time. You don't understand why be saying a men where already fly up and down and then go they look for Virgin Atlantic, but you know if you offer now you they won't collect. One of they think all those kind of thing well. One of they think all those kind of things when I wait till you know if offer now you they look for. You see only wives when you marry, only Virgin Atlantic they fly. Do you understand? Now, who go come fly all the flights where you don't already fly finish? Abandon. Me and some people we know say we don't this kind of argument don't happen for Facebook before. One people can say no only Virgin Atlantic now good though. He like when the road still narrow. They like where road wide already. He like we say it's still narrow. Now the oh. Any man where they complain say road not too wide, narrow again the road too wide. Now in facility now I get problem. You understand? May I tell you true? May I tell you true? Listen to this thing. If this man they say the road too wide, now because now bicycle they ride. You dey hear me? Go ask truck driver how whether the road wide or not. You hear what I talk now? Because may I tell you one thing. You go see road where person where they ride bicycle go say the road wide though. You go see truck driver go say the road too tight. You understand me? This now my message for our brothers, our men. Make una no get that kind of mentality, because sometimes I go hear this kind of thing, I go dey think another direction. People, especially people who just the small boys who just they grow up. We need to talk to una more, and they know the truth of. We need to talk to una more and not develop some kind of mentality. You understand? Because I saw they paint all this kind of image. May I tell you one thing? Sometimes the problem no be the road. Now the facility we man get, now they determine whether it tight or it too wide. She understand? May I talk another thing will come my mind. If you watch that, I see the video, because I see, say people don't they make video. I see video where the girl go born. Me, I be nurse, and I don't fair work for maternity. I say, look that video, it be like say Regina Daniel na cesarean section they get they born picking. If normally for woman to go hospital go born, you go don't fair day labor for house. She understand? I don't work for maternity. You understand? You go fair get labor for house before I go enter road. The girl no get labor. If you see the video, I follow look. I see the video. It is all over YouTube. The girl no day labor in land hospital. That one are planned. Now planned delivery. So you no get labor, nothing. You just go hospital. Then when you see when they come carry her from the ward, can they go born? She never still day labor. Even if to say they want to induce them, they normally induce on the ward when the labor contraction and everything don't start before they can't go delivery. They can't get delivery room. Go born. But you see say they carry her straight away. You go born. Now for the way I just say as somebody who don't work for maternity, it be like saying a cesarean section that get they born. But when I first see the video, I come to say, but why? Maybe they just choose. Because some people they choose say cesarean section. They don't want born the normal way. Say na cesarean section they won't do. She understand? But I can't say why. I can't think I say why? But now we can go and now say na Virgin Atlantic they fly. I can't say maybe they decide say now make it be say the road still tight. Now maybe they decide say maybe they go do section. Because now waiting because I don't know why grown man go come they announce this kind of thing. Now be say it did that important to run. So if it did that important to run, maybe he decide say use cesarean section so that road go still narrow. Because what I want talk. No ask me any question on that. Man use your own mouth go talk say no if because if you not tell anybody, nobody go know all these things. If you not begin broadcaster, nobody go know all this kind of thing. She understand? Me, I dey talk am again. Anybody get right to do what they want to do with their life. The only thing I want to talk now say this video I did do for those our men where they look somebody as role model. Won't come say as this Baba where I dey follow as role model talk like this now, so I go be now. Now so you go come make all the girls and the thing I say all the girls say they say be Virgin Atlantic again, be Virgin Atlantic again. How it happen? No let the waka come. No let the waka come. And I men waka with them now. I men waka with them. Now they don't become damaged goods. We need to stop that mentality for our people. Now be the reason why they make my video. We need to stop that mentality for our people. Any man, as I talk, we go on the say, road no tight again. May I tell you true? Oh, else now your facility now too small. They know they blame the road. Now your facility go say, my facility they too small. Sure you understand me now? More now accept my facility say, my facility where I get to might be the problem. Not be women be the problem. I never even see the interview. I don't know whether na video or whatever. Now I just post, I see her. They just caption and one newspaper people. They just caption and say, he say no Virgin Atlantic in the fly. I say, Kai, a pa enter house, make you close door. Who ask? I don't believe the person will do the interview ask that kind of question. I know, say I believe say the future generation will different because women know they tolerate all this kind of thing again. Where you go they don't treat women like objects. Woman must be like this, woman must be like that. How man must be? Many of us now we get daughters. We want to speak about this kind of mentality. Where they go to take other one until they gauge woman. A woman must be like this, he must this, woman must this. Men no they ever get criteria. Woman must this, woman must that, woman must this, woman must be this. I know they teach my children the right, they teach my children the right thing. And by the grace of God, they still they listen to me. But I not go want tomorrow somebody can say, won't marry my pikin because my pikin is Virgin Atlantic. And the worst part now say people where they look for Virgin Atlantic, where they never fly before, but then they already fly up and down. After they don't fly finish, they won't come settle down for Virgin Atlantic. Even you think now, you see all the wife we marry, all of them are Virgin Atlantic. How they not go be Virgin Atlantic? When they go collect the plane, when they still there manufacturing stage, now they collect the so guess we still they suck breast, we never come off from my hand. And always say make people no look for Virgin Atlantic. But if you know say na Virgin Atlantic, you won't fly. Keep yourself true. So that as you they fly and the woman too they fly, not too they fly brand new chassis. And they understand me. No be saying only you, only your body good. My own video now say I don't talk anybody get out to do what they want to do with their life. But my video now for our brothers then, where they hear this kind of thing. I want just pass my message to now. Men are not follow develop that kind of mentality. Many women get history before I meet them. Now they understand. Everybody, some people don't make mistake, or some people don't make mistake. Some of us they marry us as young girl. If you go meet woman the age of 30. Whatever time we got to bring woman for your life. If you be say she don't do one thing or the other, just like you too, don't do one thing or the other. You know me say she be damaged goods. Now that mentality make her make this video. You know me say they don't become damaged goods. Make her no follow develop that mentality. If you see woman where you love, she love you. It no matter waiting her history be whatever. You too get history. My people I don't talk my own. As I don't talk rich like that, I leave her for there. Anything will be your opinion, make you leave her for comment section below. As I don't talk rich like that, make her leave her for there. When I do I say, go watch my video. Until next time, my people. Bye bye yo. Bye bye.